Fadumo, iskomaran. Skufiade. Alhamdulillah.
Hoyo,
Suk. Hey,
please make me some food.
inshallah.
Hoyo, please, I'm really hungry.
Fadumo, I'll call you later, okay? Okay. Assalamu alaikum. What you want to eat?
I want to eat berries.
We don't have a berries, but we have a basto.
Basto. Okay.
Okay, sit down. I'm gonna make you some basto. Bismillah. Hoyo, hey, do we have a ketchup? May. Do we have a mousse? May. Then I don't want to eat them. Hey,
I can eat it. It's too salty.
but I'm a adult. I don't need listen your orders anymore. Hoyo, what are you doing? Give to me your photo. I'm gonna punish you. I don't scare you. You turned to 18 last week, so you think you are gangster now. I can't stand with you anymore. So I'm gonna send you to Somalia. You gonna send me to Somalia? Your Aunt Amel gonna teach you how to behave. I don't believe you. I'm gonna call you to Uncle Zakaria so he can drive to you airport. Rubeda,
Hey, Hoyo.
give to me a passport of Muhammad.
Which passport you want?
That one where he is 16.
Hoyo, I don't want to go Hargeisa. Hoyo. Allah, Hoyo, please, I'm sorry. Forgive me, Allah.